Welcome or welcome back. This is Sonakshi Shukla. I'm so sorry that I have not been posting from few days. Uh, it's because I had some genuine things going on, and I knew that I promised myself that I'm going to be consistent, but I was not able to make up with all the things at once. And in the mid, I was rethinking whether I should or should I not record videos. But then I thought that 4 5 minutes or 10 minutes in a day is not going to take much away from me. But if I don't do it today, this might take a lot away from me. So guys, I'm not gonna put so much hard efforts into the thumbnail or in the captions. I will just be trying to make the content real for you guys, genuine for you, and things that I feel I need to hear and someone else might want to. So that is all I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna create more thumbnails and I'm not gonna edit this. I'm just going to put raw clips out there. Today I'm gonna talk about why extroverts feel so complex sometimes. Like we as an extrovert, because I am a genuine extrovert, I talk a lot and I can talk to anybody at any instant of time. And from the in the beginning, I used to think that that is one of my like powers, right? That I can go and talk to anybody and communicate to anybody. But when you there is a society and where everybody is extrovert and everybody talks about how introverts, when they don't talk, they preserve their energy, they have more high intellect and they have better things to rather than speaking and stuff like that. You feel that your talking is actually a problem and that it should not be to an extent wherever it is right now, which is fair enough. And for the longest time when I used to give I am a big believer of giving compliments. So every time I go out and I feel that somebody deserves the compliment, I go and I instantly compliment them, despite the fact that if I know them or if they are gonna respond nicely to me, I don't care about those things because I feel I don't know who needed to hear it that day, right? But there it has happened to me multiple times that whenever I give compliments, people just smirk and they go like this. She to always give compliments, so it's like if somebody is giving compliments to everybody, it means that they does not have any standards and that they give compliments to everyone. I have been through it so many times, like multiple times, and I can understand that you might have also been through that. But trust me, we as humans, we're so kind and genuine that we have this intellect, we have this understanding how important it is for humans to understand, how important it is for humans to go and compliment each other. So if you're also an extrovert and you felt this way that people don't really appreciate the kind of things you bring onto the table, it's completely fine because not everybody is meant to understand everybody. And the more less you understand it, the more less you praise, the more better situation you are in. A very great example that I saw, that where like the rivers which are not worshipped are always clean, are always in a better situation. The place where everybody goes for worship, everybody like feels that it is like good, like they feel like it is worthy enough to be worshipped, worthy enough to be cared for. It is always and always suffer in not very good conditions. So if you and me, if we are not trusted by multiple people, if we are not valued by multiple people, because because we are just worthy of that, but people don't have that those standards. No, not everybody can start understand physics of a high level, right? Not everybody can understand something at a high level. Not everybody can understand everything. So if somebody is getting you wrong, don't think that you are wrong. Just think they are not capable enough to understand something to that level, and it's completely fine and it's completely okay. In stories and success stories, when you watch the movie, have you ever seen a success story where everybody since the beginning was supporting the person who was becoming successful? No, there were supporters, there were believers, but then there were so many people who kept doubting, who kept pushing back, pulling back, who kept doing things which made them believe more in themselves, sometimes broke their trust, sometimes they had to rebuild it again. So that is what happens. There are always people who are not going to trust in you. There are always people who will tell you to speak less, who will tell you to compliment mind, who will tell you to stop complimenting mindlessly, who will tell you multiple things. And it's not wrong also, because if I have grown up in an environment where something was vacant, where something was shortage, right, I will always feel that is the most important thing in life. But if somebody had enough of it, will not realize the importance to that, or will not realize that that is one thing that people suffer a lot for, right? So we are, if we are grown in a certain environment and we know what we needed, we know what is important for us, so it's completely fine. So if somebody gives you any advice, doesn't mean that it is meant for you. Do what works for you, do what you feel is best, and just love yourself. Be yourself. If you want to speak a lot, speak a lot. It's completely fine. Yes, definitely put a little mind on to where and what to spend, where and what to spend how much of yourself, because you at the end of the day are most important and the most worthy of love. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and just keep complimenting everybody, keep speaking, and keep loving yourself.